DNA binding motif. I will try to simplify the concept. This is really an oversimplification of things. No, we have DNA, and we know that for transcriptions we need to have DNA binding proteins that supports the DNA, and the DNA binding proteins which I have made in this image has a specific portion, the portion of the DNA binding proteins which helps them attach to the DNA, and they are called the DNA binding motif. So DNA binding motifs are nothing but the structures making the DNA binding protein attached to the DNA for transcription. It can have alpha helix or beta pleated sets, and it's really easy to know. There are 4 types, and they are like basically how we will make a lock and key. Like a helix have a tone and helix, the helix tone helix motif, the helix with a loop and a helix, the helix loop helix motif. Now zipper, because zipping something down is really easy way to bind, so a Louis Vuitton Lucien zipper, and then like directly poke down it, poke inside it, so it will be zinc finger motif with 2 zinc and 4 cysteine. And this is really a oversimplification of concept. And thanks. Final revision: DNA with DNA binding proteins that have DNA binding motif, and they will have the helix tone helix motif related to the homeo box, helix loop helix E box, Lucien zipper with lysine and arginine, and zinc finger motif. And this is the whole image, and in this up I have like all written things that I need to study or revise. I'm starting, guys.